Hello, Houstoners.
Hi, Vishnu.
Hi, listeners.
Jason, I'm
It's
going to turn you
me.
up a bit because you're soft on my side. I don't know how it is in the recording.
I don't know.
Well, I mean, if it is soft in the recording, I can easily boost it.
Yeah, no, I'm just saying. I'm boosting you because you sound soft. Anyway, we're here
Welcome.
looking at Viridian Farm again.
We are at Viridian Farm, fully optimized. Again, the truffle oil, which I've reorganized so that I can fit in more.
Jesus.
Wait,
No,
are
not more
those
Jesus, more
already?
truffle oil.
What?
Are
They're
those-
all ready.
They're already. Okay.
Every single one is ready.
I just wanted to make sure.
I get
that-
over a million monies in a harvest now.
Holy
Is that,
shit.
Is that
This
mayonnaise?
is mayonnaise.
Of course, for the white
This
people.
is aged cheese.
Ooh,
Mhm.
also
We got-
for the white people.
Yeah, we got cloth down here.
For the white people.
Yeah, it's. And then I moved the fish tank because
Nice.
I needed the space.
That fish tank is almost as impressive, if not more, than your television.
Almost. I've reorganized the barrels again so that I can fit in more. So every available liquid space is used in the production of farming goods.
hmm
Good.
And then here we are, springtime for Hitler and Germany,
Germany. Winter.
for Poland and France. We got the green beans. We got the strawberries. We got the
Right.
coffee. Got the star
Cool.
fruit.
Star fruit.
Starfruit represent. I love it all.
Mhm.
Love green beans.
I love everything in that garden. I consume it
Indeed.
regularly.
We have
Thomas, does that
turnip.
mean after this, there's only one more tour to take us on? The winter tour.
It's true, and the winter tour is going to be chaotic because nothing grows in winter.
Except, isn't there that one frost melon that grows in winter?
You can make wild seeds, but they don't grow in uniform, so I don't want to do them.
Yeah. Oh, right. I remember.
Yeah. And here the cauliflowers,
Just a...
leeks,
Look,
the
I'm
turnips.
pretty sure
kale.
Mr. Developer is going to add winter stuff in a future update. Because he's still updating this game.
Yeah, the one
the
man
rig.
that made this game is still updating it regularly.
Yeah,
Well,
well,
I mean, it's still making him ungodly amounts of money. Because
Yeah.
it keeps selling because it's a good video game.
Good. You should play Stardew Valley. My flowers and my apiary.
Mhm.
Yo.
I showed this farm to other friends who play this game, and they're just like, yeah, we play this game very differently.
Yeah. Yep.
Yeah, they're just like, oh,
Look at my sakura blossoms.
ooh.
Sakura. And your umeboshi.
And up here, my apricots. And see, look, I've got new fish, and thus
Good.
the water is now purple.
Purple eels.
You did say you wanted to explore new fish colors.
Indeed. So I
Where's
got
Scraps?
Scraps is over there. There he is. Let's go put some water in his bowl. Water in his bowl. Water in his bowl.
Oh, he missed the ball.
Amateur hour.
Oh,
Oh.
we have abandoned tea, and we have moved back to the cactuses. The tea was-
Abandoned tea, return to cactus.
exactly.
With the
exactly.
tea not bringing in enough cheddar.
It was not. But now for the great reveal. Dinosaurs and hell chickens.
What?
Did you go deep into the bowels of the earth
I
and
went
find
deep and found dinosaurs and hell chickens.
Holy shit.
I love are those hell chickens fire types?
They are. Well, look how angry they are. Look
Yo.
how mean they are.
Yeah.
And now
They're either fire or dark types.
goats and ostriches.
Fuck yeah.
We have many. We have many
You have
animals.
top tier livestock.
Indeed. So now all that's left to do is further fully optimize, which I'm not sure how I'll do, but I'll figure it out. And then to just start a new farm in a new place.
One dino is snoozing.
Indeed, he's having a nap.
He's
Aw.
a lazy boy.
Having a nap. Would you like to see the
Yes.
cumulative earnings of Viridian
my God.
Farm?
Yes.
Yes.
Show us. Take out your ledger. Whip it out, big boy.
Holy fuck.
And you've still got most of it. That's outstanding. That's some good saving, Thomas.
It's like when you used to work full time.
Oof. Oof. It's too
How
real.
are you going to hit him like that?
But that's also true. I expect nothing less.
Well, I mean, I assume by 2024 you'll be able to be back on a full salary.
I would think so. I would hope so.
I mean, that's not being overly ambitious, I think.
No, I think that's within the roles of regular vicious.
Hmm.
But yeah, so that's the farm.
That's a good farm.
It's good to own land.
It's good to. You made that joke last time.
I always do.
Ah, fair enough.